Hi, I'm Luca from Dalbosco. Additive manufacturing offers many new possibilities in production. Those don't only include freedom of form, but also the absence of part-specific tools. However, material waste can occur during the printing process, for example, due to support structures or failed prints. Most 3D printers, which print with thermoplastic materials, use a filament as the raw material. This makes the reuse of waste quite challenging. In the course of my project, I developed a toolhead which allows direct processing of plastic pellets. This eliminates the need to produce plastic filaments and enables the reuse of shredded plastic waste. In addition, pellets are much cheaper than filaments. The toolhead can be mounted on most filament-based desktop 3D printers. In the course of about 1.5 years, I designed, built and tested a suitable machine. Further development will focus on improving the reliability and print quality of the machine. The first tests in this direction delivered very promising results.